Ugh. This could have been glass, this glass shaft, and this one's just sitting here. Look at that glass shaft, and this elevator is not glass. Is it working even? Oh, it is. Look at this, you can see light coming in from the shaft, yet they didn't make it glass. That is an epic fail. It says San Francisco elevator, but these are Ascent elevators. Also, where's the second floor? Big lantern. Hold on. Let's send it down and see if we can see any light through the shaft. See all that light. Yeah, this elevator is a disappointment. There's the other one.